वेलकम बैक गाइस। आज हम लोग ICSE 2024 एग्जामिनेशन के स्पेसिमेन क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे और ये आपका स्टैंडर्ड 10 के कंप्यूटर सब्जेक्ट के हैं। शुरू करने से पहले आपको बता दूं कि एक पूरा क्वेश्चन पेपर दो सेक्शंस में डिवाइडेड है, सेक्शन ए एंड सेक्शन बी। क्वेश्चन पेपर का फुल मार्क्स है 100। सेक्शन ए में आपको दो क्वेश्चंस मिलेगा। क्वेश्चन 1 जिसमें आपको 20 क्वेश्चंस करना है, ईच ऑफ 1 मार्क्स, एंड क्वेश्चन 2 में आपको 10 क्वेश्चंस करना है, ईच ऑफ 2 मार्क्स। ओके, so in this way the section A is gets comprised of total 40 marks, right? In section B it is 60 marks. How 60 marks? You need to solve 4 programs out of 8 or 9 programs. तो आपको 8-9 प्रोग्राम्स दिए जाएंगे, ईच ऑफ 15 मार्क्स। इसमें से आपको 4 प्रोग्राम्स करना है। 4 into 15 is 60, तो 60 + 40 is 100, राइट? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। पहला क्वेश्चन जो है आपका MCQ है। यहाँ देखिए, आपका पहला जो है फोटो दे दिया गया है, एक फादर एंड चाइल्ड लायन एंड कप का, जहाँ आपको पूछा गया है नेम्ड फीचर ऑफ जावा डिपिक्टेड इन द अबव पिक्चर। ऑप्शंस है एनकैप्सुलेशन, इनहेरिटेंस, एब्स्ट्रैक्शन और पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म। आप लोगों को पता होगा इसका आंसर है इनहेरिटेंस। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है एक्सप्रेशन विच यूजेस ग्रेटर एंड इक्वल टू ऑपरेटर इज नोन एज रिलेशनल, लॉजिकल, अरिथमेटिक और असाइनमेंट। आंसर इज रिलेशनल। टर्नरी ऑपरेटर इज अ लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर, अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर, रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर और कंडीशनल ऑपरेटर। आंसर इज कंडीशनल ऑपरेटर। Next question, when primitive data type is converted into a corresponding object of its class, it is called boxing, unboxing, explicit type conversion or implicit type conversion. Answer is boxing. The number of bytes occupied by character array of 10 elements is 20 bytes, 60 bytes, 40 bytes or 120 bytes. Answer is 20 bytes. The method of scanner class used to accept double value is next int, next double, next or next integer. Answer is next double, option B. And next question, among the following which is a keyword? Every, all, case or each. Answer is case. The output of mat.round 6.6 plus mat.cell 3.4 is 9.0, 11.0, 10.0 or 11. Answer is 11.0. Name the type of error, if any, in the following statement. System.out.print hello under inverted commas under brackets. Okay, so logical error, no error, runtime error or syntax error. It is syntax error because the terminator is missing in this statement. Next is Java statement to access the fifth element of an array is x4, x5, x3, x0. Answer is x of 4. The output of remarkable.string substring 6 is what? Mark, emark, marque or able. Answer is able. Which of the following is a wrapper class for data type char? String, char, character or float. Answer is character. Name the package that contains wrapper classes: java.lang, java.util, java.io or java.awt. Answer is java.lang. Constructor overloading follows which principle of object-oriented programming? Inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction or encapsulation. Answer is polymorphism. Which of the following is a valid integer constant? 4, 4.0, 4.3f or 4. Options given are only 1, 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 1 and 2. Answer is only 1. That is 4 is only the integer constant. Next is the method compared to returns what when two strings are equal in lowercase. Options are true, 0, 1 or false. The answer will be 0. Assertion in Java statement written in lowercase letter or uppercase letter are treated as the same. Java is a case sensitive language. Reason is Java is a case sensitive language. Options are given. The correct answer is assertion A is false and reason R is true. Read the following text and choose the correct answer. A class encapsulates data members that contains the information necessary to represent the class and member method that perform operations on a data member. What does a class encapsulate? Options are information and operation, data members and member methods, data member and information, member methods and operation. The correct option is data member and member methods. Next question, again assertion and reason 1. So assertion is call by value is known as pure method. Reason is the original value of variable does not change as operations is performed on copied values. Again options are given. The correct option is both assertion A and reason R are true, and R is the correct explanation of assertion A, that is the option A. Next question, what will be the output for system.out.print character.toLetters 1? 0, 1, A or true? Answer will be 1, that is option B. Next question is question number 2. Write the Java expression for p plus q whole square. So we will use math.pow p plus q comma 2. Evaluate the expression when the value of x is equal to 2. X equal to x plus x plus x. So first over here you can see that x plus is a postfix, plus x is a prefix, and plus x. So it will be 2 plus 4 plus 4, that is 10. The value of x will be 10. The following code segment should print you can go out if you have done your homework DH and clean your room CR. However, the code has errors. Fix the code so that it compiles and runs correctly. Boolean DH equal to true. Over here Boolean CR equal to true. Over here you can see that true first DH, true is T is capital. One mistake we have found, okay. Then if DH and CR sit on a print down, you cannot go out, and else you can go out. Our second mistake is they are putting the wrong statement in the wrong conditions, right? So we will fix it. DH equal to true, CR equal to true. If DH and CR equal to true, then you print you can go out, else you cannot go out. Sam executes the following program segment and answer displayed is 0 irrespective of any non-zero values. Let's see what is the error, name the error, and how the program can be modified to get the correct answer. So what triangle double B double H double A equal to 1 by 2. Yeah, you got the mistake over here. 1 by 2. 1 by 2, it's an integer type done. So integer always returns 0. So it is a logical error. The output should be something like this. The corrected code is 1.0 by 2, or you can write directly 0.5. Okay, both will be working in this case. And then you print the area equal to plus A. How many times will the following loop execute? What value will be returned? X equal to y equal to 50, 2 plus x, y minus equal to x plus, while x is less equal to 10, return y. So loop will execute 5 times and the output will be 15. Write the output of the following string methods: artificial.index of I and dog and puppy.trim.length. Option sorry, not option. The answer for number A is 3 and B is 13. Name it 2 jump statements. Break and continue. Predict the output of the following code snippet: string A equal to 20, B equal to 23, and P equal to integer.parseInt A, Q equal to integer.parseInt B, and out.print A plus into plus B. So 20 into 23. Okay. When there is no explicit initialization, what are the default values set for the variables in the following cases? Integer variable it is 0 and string variable it is null. Next we are asked to solve the question, that is what will be the size of the array R in the above case if both the array are being merged one after the other, and write the index position of first and last element. The size of the array will be 7 because total is 4 plus 3 7, okay, and the index position of first and last element is 0 and 6 respectively. Moving on to the section B questions, that is the programming part. Define a class called with the following specification: class name is shop, member variable, string name, double price, name for the item purchase, and price for the price of the item purchase. Word accept the name and price of the item using the method of scanner class, and word calculate to calculate the price in the following manner, that is 1000 to 25,000, 5%, 25,000 more than 25,000 but less than equal to 57,000, it will be 7.5%, more than 57,000 and less than 1 lakh, less than equal to 1 lakh, it is 10%, and more than 1 lakh, it will be 15%. So word display to display the name of the item and the net amount to be paid. Write the main method to create an object and call the above methods. In this type of question आप लोगों को ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि इस टाइप का जो क्लास का जो क्वेश्चन है इसमें ऑलरेडी आपको क्या क्या वेरिएबल लेना है, क्या करना है, नहीं करना है, सब कुछ डिटेल्स दिया हुआ है, ठीक है। तो आपको बेसिकली सब कुछ सेम रखना है, आप अपने से नहीं ले सकते, एंड आपको प्रोग्राम को सॉल्व करना है। यहाँ पर आपका जो भी आपका कैलकुलेट का जो भी फंक्शन है वहाँ पर जो कैलकुलेशन होगा वो आपको अपने इफ स्टेटमेंट से जैसे भी आपको सॉल्व करना है उसको करना है, राइट। यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं हमने यहाँ पर सॉल्व किया हुआ है उसको। सी प्राइस ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1000, लेस देन इक्वल टू 25,000, 5% discount is being applied, we are deducting it directly from the price itself, okay. And then if it is more than 25,000 and less than equal to 57,000, then we are deducting 7.5% from the price. Same way, when it is more than 57,000 but less than equal to 1 lakh, then we are deducting 10% value from the price itself, 10% of price from the price itself. And same way, if it is more than 1 lakh, then we are doing 15%, calculating the 15% of the price and deducting it from the price itself, okay. Next is public word display. Over here we are displaying the values, name of the item purchase and the net payable, amount payable plus price. Then we are doing the main function. We will create the object of the class eShop and use the object to call the above functions accept, calculate and display. That's this question is all about, okay. Next we need to define a class to accept values in integer array of size 10, sort them in an ascending order using selection sort technique. Display the sorted array. Over here we are going to again use the selection sort technique, accept the 10 numbers, use the selection, print the original array and then do the selection sort technique and print the sorted array as well, okay. Next question, we need to accept a string and convert it into uppercase, count and display the number of vowels in it, okay. So we have defined the class vowels, we have accepted a word in S, string S, and used a counter C to count the number of vowels in it, okay. Where you can see that we have written a if statement to count the number of vowels, okay. And also we are printing it in the uppercase and then printing the number of vowels in this string given, okay. So next question, define a class to accept values into a 3 into 3 array and check if it is a special array. Array is special if the sum of even elements equal to sum of odd elements, okay. It's again very easy. Accept the numbers in a 3 into 3 matrix. You initialize the value of some value of E and O to be 0 so that you can keep the even sums and odd sums in one place, okay. Then what we are doing, we are checking, we are inputting the values and then we are checking if the value is divisible by 2, if the remainder is equal to 0. If it is 0, then it is an even number, so we are adding it to E, and if it is not, then we are adding it to O. That's it. If E is equal to O, that is the sum of even elements and sum of odd elements is same, then we are printing the message special array is not a special array. This is the simplest question of array and you should practice this for your 2024 exams as well. Next question is, define a class to accept 3-digit number and check whether it is a duck number or not. Our number is a duck if it has a 0 in it. Example 2083, invalid. Why? Because it needs to be a 3-digit number. Okay. And example 2103, it is a duck number. So let's check what we need to do. Enter a number. If this string we are changing it to string, so we are changing the value of num to string and checking if the length of the string is greater than 3. If so, we will say it is invalid. Else we are checking, we are iterating through a loop till the length of this variable num, that is the number, and then we are checking if it is equal to 0. We are using an indicator of flag variable and we are changing it to 1. If f is equal to 1, then we are displaying it is a duck number, else we are displaying not a duck number. Finally, the last question, we need to define a class to overload the method display as follows, to print the following format using nested loop: 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. So, and display second function is doing the square root of each digit of the number. To print the square root of each digit of the given number. So what we are doing, we are using a class display over. Okay, we are writing the functions to print the pattern, and then we are using the function to perform the calculations and write the main function, create the object of the class display over obj equal to new display over, and then call up the above functions with the data by passing data and as required. Okay, I hope this much is clear. If you have any queries, please let us know in the comment section, and moreover, if you think that we should improve our video in some aspect, please feel free to put your suggestions in the comment section so that we can improve this in our next video. Thanks for your support and watching this video.